Boy, happiness in a bowl. Fresh pot of pressure cooked short grain organic Lundberg brown rice. I have some sunflower seeds and scallion on top, and there are greens from our garden, kale, 2 different kinds. I just quick blanched, a very quick blanch. These are broccoli sprouts on top. The greens have herbamare, sea salt, and there's 2 teaspoons of flax oil total on all of that. Fresh made natto. We have elements of spring still. The scallions or spring onions, the sprouts are upward moving energy. Rice is incredibly balancing, grounding, centering. The greens are also spring diet. You can read more about that on my blog at vegangraatlife.blogspot.com. Beautiful chickpea soup and salad, re-steamed rice, all put together by my husband. Looks awesome. Oats and spelt, topped with a new batch of homemade natto. Some of the last dregs of ground dry roasted walnuts on top. Oops, jiggly there. Squash with some sweet brown rice miso stirred in it. Turnip greens that I just did the very quick blanch. I salt the water. I added a little lemon and then lemon pepper and herbamare sea salt and flax oil. That's our breakfast. Miso soup, wakame, onion, dried shiitake, and aged 3-year miso. Fresh pot of pressure cooked brown rice. It's a mix of the long and short grain. So the long grain is from Cahokia, higher protein strain of rice. Fresh baked winter squash. Fresh pressure cooked soybeans, which Don will be using the rest of to make natto, and I added a little tamari or shoyu. Kale from our garden that I did a quick blanch, to which I added herbamare, spicy sea salt, and chopped walnuts. And there's also some ume paste stirred in to the rice. So there's a sour from the ume. There's salty flavors, sweet. There's a variety of textures, nutrients. The salt balances the potassium of the foods, the squash especially, but also the brown rice and beans and greens. Very grounding, nourishing, soothing to the soul.